some questions. If you need to leave early, though, we can submit it and then send you the answers for the rest. And
That'd be great. Thank you.
Okay.
okay.
Who wants to read the first one?
Which hypothesis involves equality?
That would
That
be
would be no.
the null, yeah. Don't forget, if you haven't taken the test, to take it. I just remembered.
Yeah.
I'll read the next question then. Remember that the p-value is the probability of obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. When computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true?
No.
Yeah, no. Right. If I can get this up. Okay. Oh, I don't know. So suppose the null hypothesis is H. I don't know what that is, but is that mu? I can't remember the names of them. Equals 10. Use this information to answer the next 3 questions. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a two-tailed test?
It would be the third one.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I think too.
Courtney. Courtney.
So then which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a left-tailed text?
It would be the first
For
one.
my group meeting.
The first one, yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. So number 6 is the first one, Angie.
Okay.
Wait, 6? Oh, yeah.
Or, yes, right?
Yeah, sorry, I accidentally scrolled down to 7.
Oh, okay.
But 7 would just be the second one, right?
Yeah, it would be the opposite. Yep. So 7 would be the second one.
Okay. Okay, 8. Which relationship would result in failing to reject the null hypothesis? Is that the second one?
I think it's
I
the
thought it was
first one.
Oh, okay.
Which one did you?
Sorry. If it's a larger, you fail to reject it. Okay.
Oh, failing to reject it.
I know these terms are so
Ugh.
double talk.
Yeah, exactly.
I'll double check.
So the first one we agreed?
Which relationship would result in rejecting the null hypothesis?
So then it would be the second one?
Yeah.
P-value
Yes.
less. Okay. Wait, for number 9, it was the second one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Angie, you want to do 10?
I'm sorry. Were you discussing number 10?
Oh, we wanted to see if you wanted to do it.
Oh, sure. An insurance company is reviewing its current policy rates. When originally setting the rates, they believed that the average claim amount was $1,500. They are concerned that the true mean is actually higher than this. Which of the following would be the most appropriate alternative hypothesis? And because he said in it they were concerned about it being higher than this, then I would say it's the third one. The average claim amount is greater than 1,500.
Yeah, that makes
would
sense.
be the alternative hypothesis.
Okay. Then for 11, would be the first one.
Yeah, it would be the equal
Yes.
to each other.
Cool.
I'll read the next one. The insurance company randomly selects 40 claims and calculates a sample mean of 1,650. The insurance company assumes that the distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption? I would say,
Probably because it's large.
Yep.
Sorry.
That's what I think.
I agree, the first one, that it's large.
Yeah.
Then 13, what theorem or law justifies your answer?
So
I would say law of large numbers.
I think it's a central limit.
yeah, central limit, because it's the normal shape.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what's the law of large numbers again then?
It's that the mean being closer to the population mean,
The sample mean and the population mean would be.
the
Oh,
bigger
okay.
the number is.
Okay. I see what you're saying. Which of the following is a test statistic?
What do we got? Okay. 14. Which of the following is the test statistic as defined in this lesson?
It's a Z.
I thought, yeah, Z.
I'm sorry, I was going back because I thought that number 13 was the central limit theorem,
It is.
Yeah, it is.
but okay.
Yeah,
Somebody
yeah.
said
That
law
was
of
the
large.
law of large numbers, but
Okay.
Good. You got it right, Andy.
Okay, now because I was busy reading about that, what number are we on?
So 14Z, and then we're on 15 right now.
Z? Okay.
Z, yeah.
Okay.
I'm just trying to remember how to do this.
okay. There's a link somewhere.
What do you think about number 15?
Okay. I just opened the Excel spreadsheet.
Yeah,
Kathy
sorry. I
made.
just got the Excel sheet open too. It was taking forever.
Yeah.
The Excel sheet?
Yeah.
Why do you need the Excel sheet?
because it helps you to calculate it. It has the equation all set up, and you just have to input the data.
To find the z-score?
Yeah.
What did you
I
get?
just hand figured score. I got negative 0.025.
Mhm.
Did anyone else get that for their z-score?
It's the null hypothesis, 150.
No,
I figured it with x was
I think I did it
144.
wrong.
So I figured out as 144 minus 150 over the deviation of 40 divided by the square root of 36. You know what? I think I multiplied it by the square root of 36.
that's it.
I got negative 0.9, and I did the same thing as you, Angie, for dividing it.
I think
Doing
I
the z-score.
multiplied it. I got, yeah.
Doing the z-score, I got
Doing it.
negative 0.9.
Wait,
Yeah,
what's the
that's what I
confidence
got.
level?
I didn't realize I was asking about the z-score. I was trying to do like the p-value like association, the next problem.
Wrong. You use the categorical data analysis spreadsheet, right?
Just did it manually calculate. I actually put the z-score to be able to calculate it in an Excel sheet. That's what I did.
Because the website or the textbook actually gives you an Excel spreadsheet that does it, but I'm just confused because I don't know what to put in for confidence level and null hypothesis. Wait, so what'd you get for 15 then?
Negative 0.9.
Negative 0.9.
Because
Yeah.
around 3 decimal places, is that the whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was negative 0.899.
Sorry, Mike, I keep going in and out. I can't hear it.
So on that one, are we just shading far left? Looking for less than the mean?
Sorry? So, my question is, if they're asking for the z-score associated with the test,
So what did you do for that equation then? Did you just
I just calculated the z-score.
Make sure you do. It's for 36 people as well. So
Want me to get it out just in
you
a
have
second?
to. Huh?
Thanks.
Wouldn't the p-value be 0.184 for 16?
I remove that.
Wait, what was 16?
I thought it was 0.184.
Okay.
Is it one tail or two tails? Does it say?
What are you guys getting?
0.18406.
Yeah.
So obviously 0.184.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Which means we would fail to
Fail
reject
to
the
reject.
null.
Yeah. So 18, your conclusion. We have insufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150. So the third one?
Yeah.
You guys, I want
think
to
so.
talk about that again because I think that because the probability is less than 0.5, that we would reject the null hypothesis.
But it's not less
That's
than
more.
0.05.
Oh, 0.5. I'm sorry.
Yeah. That's okay.
That's good clarification.
Yeah.
So these two types of errors that can be made.
So type 1.
Type 1, yeah. So then the probability of type 2 error will increase? No.
Yep.
But I think
Okay.
If the value is very small, the probability of committing type 2 will be large.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it said in the text. Okay,
Oh,
cool.
I was like, oh yeah.
I was just, yeah, I wasn't sure. So, okay.
Would it just equal
Probability.
what the A equals, or is that?
I have no idea.
I think that's.
I was wondering if it was converted to percent, so it'd be like 50 for 50%.
Well, if that was that, it would be 5%, right?
Right. Me and my decimals tonight.
It's okay.
Wait,
It's later than usual.
Would the answer just be 0.05?
Right.
I think it's 0.05 because there's something up here that we talked about that was equal to. I'm trying to find it.
Okay.
I don't know where it is. I remember reading something. Okay, so the p-value A equals and compute the probability. Yeah, I think it's 0.05. I don't know. Maybe if we need to change it to percentage, but I don't know. It says round to decimal point, so it would be stayed right. Same.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna try 0.05.
I think so.
Okay.
Cross our
Do
fingers.
you guys want me to submit it and check?
Sure.
Okay. Well, we got 100%.
Cool.
Yay.
Sweet. Okay.
Have any of you guys done the test yet?
Yeah, I took mine last
Nope.
night.
How'd you do?
Good. I actually got 100. It took me like an hour and a half. But other than that, it's good.
So never mind. I guess we have to wait until the test is done to ask questions about it because there's one question that I just had no idea what to do, and that was the only question I got wrong. So I was just really frustrated with it.
You could text it to me if you want,
Okay.
just because I don't know. Did you take it, Angie?
I have not yet. I'm gonna. take it
I
right now.
passed. I didn't do as well as I would have liked.
It was like a lot more like words and calculations than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
and
go.
I didn't when I was
Okay,
doing it
bye.
on an iPad, and I didn't do Excel, so I just
They
had the
didn't do the
empty.
what?
Oh, there was a couple